Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. This is the final video I'm going to make in the Titan Forge miniature painting contest, as I have actually finished my display. And this is how it turned out, and I am extremely proud of this product. It is probably some of the best I have done, where I've incorporated several features of both electronics, modeling, 3D printing and painting of miniatures. And I'll just give you a quick overview of the entire product or display. First of all, it's built in a box, and this box has a surface over here that's made out of plexiglass that has been painted in red and yellow colors. And below all of this there is some electronics that control using an Arduino board and a program. It controls an LED strip that can change color, so this will keep fading in between red and yellow. And beside that, there's also a control for sound inside this, and a small amplifier and some speakers that make sure that it will create the right mood using these sounds you can hear. There are actually 5 different ambient sounds or tracks it can play inside, but I've just chosen this one as I think this is the most suited for this experience of this type of models. Beside that, all of these parts have been 3D printed. The back is made from Titan Forge Miniatures terrain sets, and I've made a small detail down here with a transparent back with some sort of, I don't know, gateway. It's actually a very creepy gateway. And then I have all of these panels over here with blood that's made to look a bit like liquid blood, and then there's all of the gold and skeletons. The 3 platforms are made to display the models, and I painted 3 specific models for this project. They are also made from Titan Forge miniatures and printed on an Anycubic photon. We have these 2 by sides, sort of like guardians, and then we have this one in the middle, the demon. And I'll also post some pictures where I've taken specific pictures of these using the correct photo equipment. But as you can hear, this display piece incorporates both sound, audio, and, as you saw in the beginning, the smoke, which I can turn on and off, and all of the smoke will be coming out of all of these holes in the platforms and under the bridges. And it actually works quite well, so I'm very satisfied with this piece, and I really hope you all enjoy it and like it, and that it can inspire you to do something like it. If I'm just going to go on behind it, I've just placed some cloth here to hide some of the things that's going inside it. We have the cables for power that powers the Arduino board and amplifier in here. And then we have a hose, and I could actually only get a green hose. This one provides the smoke from a generator placed nearby. And finally, one of the most important parts is this fan. The fan provides airflow into the display box and makes sure that when the smoke is added, there will be the correct pressure to make the smoke come out of all of the ducts and holes in the plexiglass plate in a steady flow, so it will look good. If the fan was not there, it would be pushed much harder out, and it would come specifically out here or here, depending on the direction of the hose, or if it had any misalignment, something like that. But using the fan, it will create an equal flow of smoke. So this is the project. This is my final product for the Titan Forge miniature painting contest in 2020, January. And I'm very happy about this. It took a lot of time to make it. I've built everything myself. It's scratch built, and the models up here, as I said before, are 3D printed on an Anycubic photon in resin, and the back walls from Titan Forge miniatures, and these pieces up here and the skulls, they have been printed in an Ender 3 Pro, and the small parts, again, these ones and the skulls, have been printed on the Anycubic photon. But this is absolutely one of my best projects so far, and I'll I'm going to use this to display a lot of models. So I really hope you enjoyed the video and that you can use some of the things you've seen here. There are more on my blog about it for yourself, and don't hesitate to write a comment, and please shoot away if you have any questions. I'd be happy to help. So thanks for watching.